So in this video we are going to discuss about the CO number ranges. CO number ranges, like FI document types, in CO we maintain different number ranges for different transaction types. In FI we maintain number ranges against the document types, but in CO we are going to maintain the number ranges against the transaction types. And the CO number ranges are year independent, but the FI number ranges are year dependent. So in each year we are going to maintain number ranges again in the FI, but in CO once we have maintained the number ranges, it is maintained for all the fiscal years. So let's go in the system and create the number ranges and assign the transaction types to the number ranges. Go to SPRO, reference IMG, controlling, general controlling, organization. So here we are going to maintain number ranges for controlling documents. So my controlling area is 1214. So these are the multiple transaction types used in controlling, like plan settlement, unit costing, calculate scrap. So these are multiple transaction types. So create a group. So I'm going to use the number ranges. I'm going to create three different types of number ranges groups. One is for primary posting transaction types, secondary posting transaction types, and planning posting transaction types. So let's primary posting. Go back and create another one, secondary posting transactions, and select. So now the number ranges are created. So I'm going to assign the transaction types to the number ranges. So these are the primary posting transaction types, these are the secondary posting transaction types, and these are the planning transaction types. So first I'm going to use this primary posting transaction types and assign to the number ranges of primary posting transaction types. So assign. So first, this is the primary posting transaction type. I am going to select this and assign to the number ranges. This is the number range for primary posting transaction type. Save this. So I am going to select another one. This is for secondary posting transaction type. Control F, and I am going to select this and assign to the secondary posting transaction type. And again, this is the planning transaction type. assigned to the planning transaction type. Save this, go back. Now I am going to overview this. So these all are the secondary posting transaction types, and we are going to assign all of them to the secondary posting transaction type number ranges. Once the document of primary posting or secondary posting or planning posting transaction types is posted, so these transactions will use the numbers assigned to the number ranges. So number ranges are going to assigned when we are posting the documents in the CO module. So you can see these are assigned. COIN is assigned to the primary posting. Go back. These are the intervals, and these. So you can see for this transaction type, 01 is the number range used during the posting of these transactions. So for these transactions, 02 is the number range used by the system, and for this transaction type, 03 is the number range used by the system. So these are the number ranges assigned to the transaction types. So that's all for this video.